So we are studying about this RH blood group system. RH blood group. Before we have studied review grouping system. Now RH blood group system. Actually, RH factor. Actually, what happens? RH factor is a protein present on plasma membrane of RBCs. It was first observed by first observed by Landsteiner and Wiener by Landsteiner and Wiener in rhesus monkey. First observed by Landsteiner and Wiener on the plasma membrane of RBC of rhesus monkeys. So it is called as RH factor. So it is called as the RH factor or antigen D as RH factor. It is also called as the antigen D. Antigen D. It is also called the antigen D. Later, it was found, or nearly more than 80%, nearly 80% of human beings having this RH factors. So a person having RH are called as RH positive, and having no RH is called as the RH negative. So two type of the persons, Rs positive and Rh negative. So the genes responsible for or we can say that the Rs factor is controlled by Rh factor are controlled by genes. Controlled by genes, we can write as controlled by a pair of genes R and RR. So Bayer means that having the control by genes, we can write here in this way. A person having the genotype RR and RR will have Rh positive and small r will have Rh negative. So this is the genotype having the RR or small r, capital R, small r, capital R, or small r will be Rh positive and the small r will have the Rh negative. If a person marry with suppose marriage takes place in between the Rh positive male and Rh negative female, then what will happen? In this situation, Rh positive male means that having the capital R, this is male and small r female. So gametes formation will take place in a such a way as male capital R, this will be male gametes, and the female gamete small r and the small r. In this situation, offsprings will have capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, and the capital R, small r. In this situation, all the offsprings will be Rh positive. In this situation, what will happen? All offsprings will be Rh positive. And now we can see another situation. This is the situation when the male is the homogametic. are the homozygous. This is the homozygous condition are the male. And case of the heterozygous condition, what will happen? In case of the males that having capital R and small r, this is male, and the small r and small r female. Says his RH positive and says RH negative. In this situation, this is male and the female. Male gamete will have such type of the genes, and the female is the normal, means RH negative. And in this situation, capital R and the small r, and the capital R small r and the small r small r. In this situation, you find that the possibilities of the RH positive and negative. RH positive and RH negative will be 50% and will be up to 50%. In this situation, possibilities will be of the 50-50. Whether the offspring will be RH positive or RH negative, possibilities of the 50-50. Now, what happens when RH positive man marry with a RH negative woman? What problems come in this situation? What happens when a RH positive man marry with a RH negative female? In this situation, if that is the homozygous conditions, in case of the male, as I told, the offsprings will be of the RH positive. So the developing fetus, if a positive male marry with a negative female, if the situation is homozygous, so the offspring or the fetus developing in the uterus of the mother will have RH positive, and during placenta development, during development of the placenta, some blood may mixed with the blood of the mother, and in this situation, in the mother's blood, anti-RH formation takes place. Since its amount is very less, so the first delivery will be normal, and when second delivery and a subsequent delivery takes place, at that time sufficient amount or the more amount of the anti-RH are formed in the mother's blood. That is why the agglutination in the blood of fetus takes place. And this situation is called as the erythroblastosis fetalis. Erythroblastosis. Erythroblastosis fetalis. So in this situation, this may cause the death of the fetus due to the severe anemia. This may causes due to the death of the child just after the birth, as due to the severe anemia, or after a few days due to the accumulation of bilirubin pigments. Which damages the brain. How it can be prevented for such child? The need of immediately transfusion of the blood is needed, and it is recommended for the Rh positive delivery to give the injection anti-Rh to the mother. Anti-Rh injection is necessary to give the mother, that is RHIG. RHIG, or one name is there, Rogam. This is anti-RH. If anti-RH is given to mother, then for the subsequent delivery there is no problem. And if the mother is Rh positive, then and father is Rh negative, in this situation there is no such problem. Thank you. That's part of it.